key really is follows to allow your exhalations to take your body to new heights. Boom. Keep going around. Because he's changed it, he's changed it up on you. You're not stepping back so something else is happening, so follow your momentum through. Should we do it from the side?
Yes, do it from this way.
Boom, ba, hoo, ha, ha, hoo, ha, ha, hoo, ha. Be available, have your arms available always.
And then we did a similar movement where we send her into a dip. Collect it, and then we legs turn to our side to lift.